This is City Heights Hotel, and so many things are happening at City Heights Hotels, and we shall be sharing it with you shortly. My name is Ayo Omotosho, and we are here with my team. And good evening, everyone. Who are we, please?
We are Lagos State Tourism Volunteers
Network.
Network.
Now, what is the UN definition of volunteering? The terms volunteering and voluntarism and voluntary activities is understood to be a wide range of activities undertaken of free will for the general public good, for which monetary reward is not the principal motivating factor. Also, boomerang.com explained as the act of contributing free labor to conduct community service or support a non profit organization.